Howdy folks, Monkey Dixon Adventures, just a short video to tell you about an upcoming event that we've got called Isle of Man Planet of the Monkeys 3. So what's that about, you may ask? A 4-day ride on the Isle of Man. Up to 40 of us up to now are getting the ferry across to the Isle of Man, where we'll meet up with 25 of our Isle of Man brethren. So when is it? It's Saturday the 20th of April till Tuesday the 23rd of April 2024. Come and join us as we do the TT course and the Southern 100 en masse. We'll do the Laxey Wheel, we'll look at Port Erin, go to the Point of Ayr, do Druidale, go to the Victory Cafe, we'll see the Joey Memorial, Ramsey. There's just so much to do on the Isle of Man. It's just 40 miles by 12 miles wide, but there's so much to do there. You'll have an absolute ball. And if you want to come along on a 125, just drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Or else you can just join the Monkey Revolution on Facebook. And that's where we put all our events up. So viva the Monkey Revolution. If you want to get a taste what it's like, have a look at the 2022 playlist, Isle of Man Planet of the Monkeys, or the 2023 playlist, Isle of Man Planet of the Monkeys 2. I'll put the links in the description. So here are some pics and videos from the first two tours. Viva the Monkey Revolution!